Hello children, I Miss Bijal Panchal welcome you all to your English literature class. Today I am going to tell you an interesting story named The Grasshopper and the Ant. Children, this is a story about a lazy grasshopper and the hard-working ants. Children, have you ever seen ants marching in a row? They are very hardworking. They carry the food of almost their own size, as you can see in this picture. So, children, let's read the story. Once there lived a lazy grasshopper. Children, lazy means one who does no work. He did not like to work. All day long, he sang songs and played in the warm sunshine. He, look at me. I am as happy as can be. The grasshopper laughed at the hard-working ants as they worked day and night. Children, hardworking means a person who works hard. The grasshopper was not working and was laughing at ants. We are storing grain for the long winter ahead, they replied. They means ants. The lazy grasshopper only laughed louder. Summer ended and the cold winter arrived. The wind blew strong and it started snowing. The grasshopper now began to worry. There is no food to eat, no grass, no flowers or leaves. I can't see even the tiniest fly or worm. What will I do? I will surely starve. Children, starve means to die of hunger. He cried, let me meet my kind neighbor, the ant. The grasshopper remembered how the hard-working ant had stored away grain for the winter. He knocked at her door. Dear ant, I am hungry and cold. I have nothing to eat. Please, can you give me some food? Now, grasshopper is asking food. The ant shook in anger. Lazy one, what were you doing all summer? You were only singing and dancing. You should have thought of the cold winter months ahead. Go away. She slammed her door shut. The lazy grasshopper was left as hungry as before. Children, this story is very interesting and we get moral like if you don't work at the time of working, later you will face difficulties. So children, we should also use our time, and when it is time to study, we should study, and when it is time for playing, play, and work hard and study well. Okay? Now let's learn some new words. Hardworking, arrived, starve, slam. Children, write down these new words in your notebook and read this lesson from your textbook. That's all for today's class. Goodbye.